how to add subtitles to your video on your YouTube channel. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Click here, go to YouTube Studio, and after you go to YouTube Studio, now go here, click on content and choose the video that you want to add captions or subtitles to. I'm gonna choose this one, click on it, and here go down, click here on subtitles and click here on set language. I'm gonna choose, for example, English. Click confirm, and now here click on add subtitles, and as you can see, you will be able to add subtitles from here easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also you can type manually like this, for example, hello guys, in this video we are gonna talk about, as you can see, this is the first caption, and you can add more and more and more captions until you finish all your video and click publish. If this video was helpful, as I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.